In respiration, mammals use lungs. Mammals use lungs. Mammals are warm-blooded. That is, they are homothermic organisms. Homothermic organisms. Now, I want to summarize the classification like this. Even before that, let us look at other characteristics of mammals. Apart from what we have discussed so far, mammals having hair covering their skin is covered with hair or fur. At least part of the body must be covered with hairs. Apart from having external ear, they are the only group of mammals whose abdominal cavity is separated from the thoracic cavity. The thoracic cavity, that is the chest, by a sheet of muscle called diaphragm. Diaphragm is a sheet of muscle that separates the chest from the abdomen, and it's only found in mammals. It's only mammals that have sweat glands in the skin. So, if you are asked to state the characteristics of mammals, what can you say from what you have learned today? You should be able to remember that mammals have hairs on their body. Mammals have external ears. That mammals have diaphragm separating the abdomen from the thorax. You should also remember they have enteroduct teeth. Enteroduct set of teeth. That mammals give birth to their babies alive. Give birth to babies alive. That mammals breastfeed their baby. Breastfeed their babies. That they are warm-blooded. Are some of the major features of mammals.